Heard the word narcissist thrown around, but what does it really mean? Our next guest hopes to help pinpoint and heal those trauma bonds in her new book, Run Like Hell.
Run Like Hell. Isn't that a title right there? The author, Dr. Nadine Macaluso, ex-wife of the Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort, pursued her master's, then her PhD to become a therapist to help others. And she's joining us now. So please welcome Dr. Nadine Macaluso, everybody.
Hello.
So how do you define a narcissist? We need help.
I know. Everybody needs help these days. So a narcissist is someone who feels very entitled to get what they want, and they'll often use charisma, domination, manipulation, and lies to get what they need, and they're obsessed with gaining money, power, and pleasure.
So red flags, what are the red flags we need to be looking for?
So ironically, one of the red flags is called love bombing. And that's when they give you excessive admiration and attention and flattery and lavish you with gifts and trips. But then what happens is the mask starts to fall. And you see that they're very controlling and aggressive, they don't respect your boundaries, and when they hurt you, they don't even care, they're not accountable.
So you say that we can also have some traits that could attract narcissists to
Yes.
us. What is that?
So a lot of the people that I work with, they're highly agreeable and highly conscientious. And so what that means is that they're very loyal and kind and tolerant, and they have empathy, and they have a lot of integrity, and they're very driven to have healthy relationships. And what happens is that those beautiful traits get weaponized by the narcissist.
So, okay, getting out of a situation with a narcissist can be kind of complicated. So what advice do you have for those people who find themselves in this situation? And also, what advice do you have for their friends?
Yeah. Well, if they want to get out, first of all, they need to go to a therapist that's really an expert in narcissism and a trauma-informed therapist, because they need a lot of support. And when you have a friend that's with a narcissist, I think the nicest question to ask them is, do you want to be helped or heard? And not offer such extreme advice to them, because they already feel so shameful about being in that relationship.
Let me ask you this, can a narcissist change? Is it possible?
Well, you know, I'm in the business of change, so I like to think that everybody can change. And so I'm hopeful, but they have to go to therapy and they have to want to change.
That's the key.
That is the key.
Well, thank you so much. That's why you're the expert in Run Like Hell. I love the name of that.
Yes, well, that's what you have to do. If you meet a narcissist and you see those red flags, run like hell.
Run Like Hell. And again, Nadine's book, Run Like Hell, is now available everywhere that books are sold.
Yes, that's such good advice. That's the takeaway from this segment.
That's right.